To make the firmware update, guys, to all of this one will be automatically with the phone, but this one you have to connect it by cable between this USB-C in your phone, and you can make the firmware update. And I may recommend you to make the firmware update because it's very simple repairing. The application BOYA Magic, when you insert this receiver, it will recognize. If you want to make the firmware update to this little guy, you have to connect it through the phone through this USB-C and make the firmware update to all of them. So you will have to make update to 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 things. So these 5 things you will have to, and if you have the lightning to the BOYA iPhone smartphone, you have to put the other one, and you can make with the phone. Just go at the user manual here, you will see the application, you will know how to do it. Now guys, the application BOYA Magic, once you put the receiver into your phone, you will be connected. Press on BOYA Magic, and here is the voice meter. Let's see, I think we have an update. I think here on 3 dots we have a firmware version. Yes, you can make a firmware version to TX2 we need, because we have V00 and we have to make a firmware version. I will show you immediately for the firmware update. But now output gain. Use this output gain to see how much volume you will need. It has a smart feature that will prevent the clipping, and I like especially this feature. And okay, the noise reduction is here. The noise reduction will make the LED green to your microphones, which is very nice, that will announce about this. Now I'm pressing the noise cancelling on and off from that button, and it will be nice to switch or make 2 clicks for that button to have mute, and 1 click for noise reduction, or 1 click for mute and 2 clicks for noise reduction. Into the next firmware update they can make, I'm sure they can make this. EQ, vocal boost, low cut, depending like with your voice, you can make a custom. You see original, we have a lot of you see a custom EQ here. You can make how you want your voice to sound, and this is very nice. Let's leave it on original for now. The noise cancelling, it has 2 forms. I recommend you to leave it on weak. If it's not satisfying to you, leave it on strong. The TX indicator, well, it turns off the indicator of Lavalieres, not the handheld mic, only the Lavalieres. You can check out this, and I recommend you to leave it to auto to maybe you forget some Lavalieres opened, and will auto close to preserve your energy. And speaker, this is a nice thing. It can leave I don't want to reset it, but it can leave the speaker of the phone running even if you put the dongle into your phone. That's meaning if you want to see and listen to the sound of a video you just filmed, you don't have to take out the receiver dongle from your phone. Nice.